Hello friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Monday Makes video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring the Blossoms Wishes kit. This is a crafting kit. It's on special right now for the month of August. It is $16.20 Canadian. These are all the components that you're going to get. There is instructions, which obviously I didn't follow for the first couple of steps in this kit. Oh my gosh, you guys, seriously, I could read them, but do I read them? No, not really. I just glance at them, pretend I'm reading them, and go back to it 5 times. Did I really read that correctly? Is that like a package of, you know, like those prepped packages of recipe things that you read and then you throw it in the trash thinking, oh yeah, I'm gonna get this, or I figured this out, and then you have to go back to it in the trash 5 times? So what I did wrong here is these orange half moon pieces are supposed to be on dimensionals. And so I'm starting off with the smaller card. This is a mini slimline card, just in case you wanted to know. It's super cute. The description on the Blossoms Wishes kit says, celebrate your friends with special slimline cards from the Blossoms Wishes kit. The slimline card fronts are embossed, which makes for a unique paper craft base. Add layers to your card with the pre-printed and die-cut elements. This kit comes with a variety of die cuts, vellum blossoms, branches, foil detailing, sentiments, background shapes, and peek throughs. Skip the prep work and get straight to crafting with the latest addition to the kits collection. Each kit comes with printed sentiments in Dutch, English, and French, and German. They're pre-designed projects, step-by-step instructions, pre-cut pieces, makes 8 cards for each of 2 designs. And you saw me, there was a second mistake there when I put on the branch that's not supposed to go to it. I don't obviously follow instructions very well. Or maybe it's just my little brain that's not been working lately. Anyway, so I took the old branch off and now I'm putting the new branch on. And everything from this point on is going correctly. I actually kind of think that the vellum blossoms don't do much to the design. I think that it might have been nicer if they were just plain white. But anyway, mini slimline cards. So these are the regular size slimline cards. And look at me, I'm putting the dimensionals where they're supposed to go. So the thing is that the instructions, they're not written. They're like IKEA pictures almost. So you're supposed to not get confused, but when something gets dumbed down so much so, that's when I screw up. I'm like, goodness me. I remember just the other day I was hanging out with one of my old friends from Nanaimo. She came up here to visit. That's the reason why I wasn't online yet last week, because I'm spending time with my friend. Anyway, we went into a washroom together because, you know, us girls have to go to the washrooms together. And we couldn't figure out how to actually get in the door, like, of the washroom, like the little stalls. We're like, what's going on? And then I just pushed on it and I'm like, geez, you know, like that was simple. It was too simple for me. I was expecting an actual handle on the door. No, you just push on it. Anyway, so here were the branches that I already had sort of pre-stuck. I had taken them off and now I'm putting them on the appropriate peach that they're supposed to go to. Speaking of peaches right now, I swear to goodness, the fruit in Kelowna, British Columbia, Canada, where I live, is amazing this year. Cherries and peaches and everything. So lovely. All right, so this was a thing that I actually figured out. I put the silly little glue dots on the vellum pieces first, then I removed the backing. And then I thought I would just leave them in the sheet. If this helps anybody, I found this to be a little better to organize and get the things out and you didn't lose them. And holy cow, you actually have quite a bit left over, so you can use them for another project. Anyway, I wanted to make mention that these card kits are on special right now. Most of them are on special right now. This one happens to be $16.20. I'm going to leave the link in the description box below if you're watching this on my YouTube channel. If you're watching this on my blog, I'll just have a simple link, and hopefully you guys will grab this kit before the sale goes, which is at the end of the month. All right, you guys, thanks so much for watching, and bye for now.